Hi, I've had somebody ask me to show people how to do peer review on cat courses. It's not particularly intuitive. If you figured out a better way to do it, let me know, but this is how I do it. Um, I can't figure out how to do peer review uh, where it's actually embedded into another assignment. So I'll do a website as possible. This is a group assignment. Split students into 5 groups. Um, and then you save that. Require peer reviews. Actually, this is not a group assignment. Require peer reviews. Automatically assign reviews. So it says the reviews have to come after the due date. So in terms of the way we usually do peer reviews, the peer reviews come before the due date. So that's why I do a separate rough draft assignment. So let's say I want the peer reviews to be done on the 20th, right? So I'd have the assignment due on the 17th, and then I'd assign them on the 18th. So they have time to um, distribute it. You can have peer reviews appear anonymously. Then the assignment would be due on the 17th, and it would be available from, oh wait, this is, this is from the 2nd to the 30th or whatever, or whenever you want to do. When you want the peer reviews due. So you'd have to then put up here like peer reviews due this date, right? And then you can make a separate assignment that would have just the peer review points. So then you press save and publish. If you know of a different way to do it, please let me know.